I think most people are pretty comfortable cooking pasta. A lot of us eat it regularly, but I do think that there are some things people don't think about. I'd like to point them out to you because I think that they're very helpful for making better pasta. Most important, I think, is to use enormous amounts of water when cooking pasta. The pasta and the water need to really move around each other in order for the pasta to cook efficiently and properly. Second, it's necessary to highly salt, more than you would commonly think, the water that you're going to boil the pasta in. That does two things. It flavors the pasta. It also slows down the cooking time because the temperature of the water has to be higher when it's salted, and it gives you a chance to monitor the cooking of the pasta a little bit more easily. Many people add oil to their cooking water for pasta because they think A, it keeps the foam down, and B, that it helps keep the pasta from sticking to itself. I don't think that either of those reasons makes much sense. First of all, the foam is something that you just can simply watch on your own, and it's nothing you have to worry about, again, if you're using a lot of water in a big pot. And secondly, the worst thing about adding oil, when the pasta is drained, the oil coats the pasta with a thin film of oil and prevents the sauce from sticking to the pasta, which is the main reason the pasta is there, to carry the flavors of the sauce. And if it's slicked with oil, it won't be able to do that. You need to cook the pasta until what the Italians call al dente. That means to the tooth. A little bit of firmness or resistance to the taste, to the tooth, when you bring the pasta out to check it. It's going to continue to cook a little bit because it's very hot. And furthermore, it might cook a little bit more when you finish it in the pan. Most people put pasta on the plate and then dot some sauce on top of it, or pour some sauce on top of it. And that's not the best way to enjoy both the flavors of the pasta and the sauce, because as I say, the pasta is there to carry the flavors of the sauce. So as Italians do, take the pasta and the sauce and mix them together in the pasta pot that's now empty. Pasta and the sauce belong together before they get to the plate, and then enjoy it that way.